Hello everyone, this is Atyan. I'm back with another video. But today it is not about consulate, embassy, or any travel information, but it is important more than that. I think many of the Indians in US should be aware of this product. And I think it is very famous in all Indian groceries, be it Patel, Sabji Mandi, or Indian supermarket, or wherever it is. And it is favorite for us too. But last week when I had this mixture, I was able to find this pin. I'm not very sure whether you're able to see this. This is what I happened to find it in the mixture, and it is not a stapler pin. It is not even a stapler pin size. It's bigger than that, and I couldn't figure it out for what it might have been used for, or from there it might have fell while packing or whatever. I'm not able to figure it out anyways. But the point is, when we usually just put it in the bowl and we used to have it, or you might have given it to the kids. This is what we used to do. But then last week, luckily we were able to find it when it is in the bowl itself, and it was so shocking, and I didn't take it seriously. Maybe I just threw it and we can continue being very careful. That is what I thought. But then still I shared it with my friends, just for them to know or be aware of such things are happening. To my surprise, everyone were shocked by seeing this picture. So I will post the picture which has been shared to my friends, but then everyone said almost the same dialogue. What if a kid found this in their mouth, or it has been found to the adult when they are having the snack, or anything might have happened. So this is pretty much shocking for us, and even then I thought this is not very important stuff that we have to share it with the people. But then when I recall which happened couple of months back is I found a stapler pin and so many hairs in tamarind packet. I couldn't remember the brand name. I will again go to Sabji Mandi. I will find the name of brand. I will put it down in the description so that don't buy that brand when you are trying to buy tamarind. And when it comes to Anand, this brand, especially mixture or any mixture which you buy, I think we should be careful enough because it is not prepared by us. So it is coming from the company and anything might happen. I never seen this brand when I was in India, but I could see this is very popular in US. And when I drill down to get to know what's happening with this brand, or where I can contact and inform. So I was not able to find the manufacturer. Instead, I was able to find the distributor which has been mentioned behind the packet, which is a Babco Food International. I called them, and one of the branches in New Jersey. I called up and informed them, but the reply they gave was, I apologize for this, and what you expect, or maybe I will replace this packet. This packet hardly cost $2.50, I guess. I think this is not the answer that I expect. I expected that they would be very serious when it comes to the issue which has been reported by us, and they should have answered me that we will inform the manufacturer and we'll make sure that this mistake doesn't happen again. This is what I expected, and I called them back, but they were not that responsible. So I tried reaching the manufacturer, but then I couldn't find any, because when you drill down in the internet, I could find a site for it. But again, when you clicked onto it, it is going for some brand. Maybe they are the people who are preparing it. I found this in Tamil Nadu mixture, but we could find many variety like Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur mixture or Trishur mixture. Many varieties are there. But whatever, my point is not that. My point is, if you happen to buy this brand, and if you happen to buy any kind of mixture, be it any brand, just have a look at it before giving to the kids or even for the adults. That is very important. I feel after seeing this pin, I'm not able to take it very easy when it comes to food. It should be very trustable, and it should be edible in terms of ingredients and whatever it has been added. And hygienic also should be there. I used to see the ingredients when I buy even with the frozen items. I feel what happened to this brand and why we are going for it just because of the ingredients. Maybe it is always better to prepare it at home. That is one point. But in case if you don't have time, yes, we do buy from outside. But please guys, take it seriously, and make sure that you see what is there in the bowl, what is there in the food which has been brought in from outside. Hope this information is helpful, and I wish you share this information even if you are not going to share this video, because this is one important information and you should be aware of it, because I think many Indians in US are buying this. So I just want to inform you guys that be careful, with any food that you buy outside. And if possible, please prepare anything at home and have healthy. Stay tuned with Purna Arti Vlog for more and more updates on embassy, immigration, travel and vlogs. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.